Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this week my brother and sister-in-law came to stay with us in town. They're actually still with us right now, which is why I haven't uploaded very much. But before they came, I definitely needed to pick up the house, prep the guest bedroom, and get in my physical therapy exercises. So I decided to film the day while we were getting ready to go pick them up from the airport, show you what we did, what we drank, what we cleaned, all that jazz. So let's hop right in. Alright, so if you've watched my other cleaning videos, then you know that my favorite place to start cleaning is my bedroom. I don't know why, but this is the place that always gets me the most motivated. I just like cleaning the house from the top down. I think that it also feels like the least overwhelming to clean my bedroom because I'm not like, it's not like really dirty. It's just mostly picking up. And it also feels really satisfying because my bedroom is definitely my sanctuary. So getting this room put together like motivates me to clean my other room. So even though Chad and Marlene will have nothing to do with my bedroom, this is where I decided to start. So obviously I have to diffuse oils. So I diffused some Citrus Fresh today. So just setting up my diffuser. I love Citrus Fresh because it's not only got the citrus blend in it, but it's also got a little bit of spearmint, I believe. So it's got a little kick on the end, which is super yummy. And obviously, well, not obviously, you wouldn't know this, but side note, this is my favorite diffuser I've ever owned. I love it so much. So then I moved to the bathroom and I just did my normal picking up. I believe I'm drinking some iced tea in my hydro flask, by the way. And oh, this is my CBD Luxe CBD vape pen. So if you see me smoking, well, it's not smoking, but vaping at any point in this video, this is what I'm using. And I actually made a video all about CBD oil for pain recently. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link that down below. So yeah, I just kept cleaning up, put my oils away on my oils rack. I get so many questions, by the way, about this oils rack. These are actually two separate racks that I purchased from Cost Plus World Market, and I'm obsessed. I will have those linked in the info box too because so many of you guys ask about them. So then I just went around, watered my plant in the bathroom, and then I picked up my shower area. Side note, I don't know about you guys, but I've tried so hard to be one of these people, but I'm not one of those people that keeps my life clean as I go. I pretty much just like make my life a mess, like a big tornado, and then I turn around and I pick it up. And then I make my life a big mess, and then I turn around and pick it up. That's why, on a side note, if you guys really love these videos, I'll always be able to make them because I'm always making my life a mess. And I don't even have a kid yet. It's going to be crazy when I have a kid. So, anyways, I'm using my thieves cleaner just to clean off all of my surfaces. I've mentioned this before, but what I love about this cleaner, not only is it non-toxic, but I use it on every surface in my house. My counters, my mirrors, my stainless steel. It's just amazing. And then you don't like get that feeling in your hands afterwards of your fingers being all pruny and chemically and just like not good. I love it. So then I went to my closet, and it's the same with my closet, man. I just make it a mess. I try things on, I drop things on the ground. And so I sorted things. That pile on the ground, by the way, is all of my activewear I bought recently. I'm going to be doing an activewear haul soon. So I'm wearing one of the outfits right now in this video. So then I moved to Chad and Marlene's room, or the guest room, and we made the bed with the sheets that we just cleaned. And we used a little bit of lavender oil just to make the bed comfortable and smell amazing. And Dan and I tag teamed this bed making process. And we put the comforter back in the little, I think it's called duvet cover. I don't know, whatever the cover is for the comforter, we put that back in it. Put new pillowcases on the pillows, and yeah. Wow, look at how much fun we're having making the bed. Who knew it could be so much fun? Oh my gosh, little Zoe running around, so cute. Oh, Zoe. Oh, the dogs were only on there for a second though. We were like, get off. We want our bed to be clean. So, yeah, then it was time to move downstairs, which, oh my gosh, I feel like my kitchen is kind of in a perpetual state of being a mess, but kind of like what I mentioned before, like a mess, clean, a mess, clean, a mess, clean. Maybe that's everyone. Although I don't think so. I think you're either someone that keeps your house clean consistently, or you're like me. So anyways, then I sprayed down my island. I've mentioned this before. That island is so difficult to clean because it's hard to see what's even like going on. I'm like, did I get this clean? I don't really know. Put my little candle in the center. Dan did the dishes. Look at him with his purple gloves. So cute. And Dan always is the one that does the dishes. Just so you know, I never do the dishes. By the way, this sparkling water from Waterloo, the watermelon and grapefruit flavor, especially the watermelon flavor, so good. Actually, yeah, just the watermelon flavor. I'm like, whatever about the grapefruit flavor, but that watermelon flavor is so good. So then I set my other diffuser going in the corner, and I used a combination of Shutron and lemon. I'm kind of whatever about Shutron. I know people are obsessed with it. I like it okay. Combining it with the lemon makes me like it more. And yeah, just turned that diffuser on. I love my diffusers. I actually want to buy some more, even though I know I have a billion. I want them like everywhere. I love diffusing oils. And yeah, then I just gave everything else in my kitchen a nice wiping down to just, you know, make it clean, I guess. So then it was time to do the oven. You guys know this is my least favorite job, but most satisfying job that I do, or area that I clean. I hate it because it's just gross and super detailed, but at the same time, I love it because when I'm done, it's, like I mentioned, so satisfying. So then I moved over to the couch in the living room. I get a lot of comments about this couch. This is called the Cloud. It's from Restoration Hardware. It's an amazing couch, but because it's literally just a giant pillow, I have to refluff it up pretty regularly. By the way, these flowers, shout out to you, James Grant. They were a birthday gift from my management company. And then these oils are the oils I diffused in my other diffuser. I used the extra water to just water my plants. And yeah, I put in my lemon and lime. I actually posted a picture. I took a picture right after I put these oils in the diffuser, and I posted them on my oils account. If you didn't know, I have an essential oils account, and I love it. It's weird how much I enjoy taking pictures of oils. But hey. So this is also, side note, my favorite corner in my house. So the oils were diffusing, the living room is clean, and then I decided to do my egoscue and get that done before Chad and Marlene came that day. If you don't know what egoscue is the form of physical therapy that I have been doing for the last few months. I can't say that like I notice a huge difference. I don't know if this makes sense, but I can feel that it's great for my body and my body really likes it, even though I can't say like that it's changed a whole lot in my body necessarily. But they're hard. They're like the most basic exercises that are so difficult for me to do. So I kind of enjoy that satisfaction of like, ow, this is so hard, but it shouldn't be, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just went through all my exercises. Squat may actually be the most satisfying because when I first started doing these from this particular set, it was so difficult. And now it's still difficult, but I can tell that I'm getting stronger. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, after this point, I just got dressed. We went to pick Chad and Marlene up at the airport, and that was the end of our cleaning day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you back here soon with another new video. I haven't been uploading that much this week because we've just been hanging out with Chad and Marlene, but I have so many videos coming up for you guys. So I will see you back here soon. Okay, bye.